Good afternoon, welcome into the Levin Domain, the opening round of Super Rugby Aupiki, the home team, the Hurricanes Poua, hosting Chiefs Manawa. Murray off a second man play, they've opened him up. Manawa, big run, then the offload and the tackle. Hurricanes Poua 2 metres out. Now the pick and go, and they run straight away. Chiefs Manawa, their players in front of the kicker. And from the penalty, they can see the try. Murray again, first receiver with another second man play. Exactly the same play, Manawa, down the left edge. The ball over the top. And Aisha letting a first touch in 2023. And it's a try. So started on the 8. Now they're inside the 5. Inside the 2. They're in the end goal and they get the try. Luke O'Connor.
Yeah, you're good.
Neng Wu
Gold,
playing, and this time a long kick for Letiinga.
Backwards.
Taps it back on the inside, it's play on. The Hurricanes are away again down their left edge. Ferris with a beautiful inside-outside step and a great finish from the open side flanker. Aisha Letiinga able to keep the ball under control enough for the open side flanker to get it done for the Hurricanes. In control, they're inside the 5.
Yeah, advantage 10 offside.
Inside the 2. 2 good drives, they should get home. They'll do it with 1.
Try.
Under the post. And Kalonevale. But their first job is to win the scrum and drive forward. It's under control. Kennedy Simon.
Try. Backhand first.
All control from the scrum. Their power, their organisation and their finish. Can't do it. Kennedy Simon coming away with the ball. The Hurricanes looked like they had it under control, but now they come again with an opportunity to lead at half-time. The Chiefs Manawa, what a comeback. What a show of effort and resilience. Luke O'Connor, try number 2 for her today. Kalonevale, powerful black fern front rower. 2 metres out now, the Chiefs. The Hurricanes showing some hustle. Luke O'Connor, just short. Now the pick and go. And they start the second half the way they finished the first half, with a powerful try on their forwards. Chubik. A little double pump from Hohepa. A little short side play. A nice skill, Georgia Dales. Down the left side, Dales. Lovely sleight of hand and a brilliant finish from Georgia Dales.
But Hazel Chuba, you watch this little tip-on play. That's executing skill under pressure. Textbook stuff for her finisher there, Georgia Dales.
Crystal Murray from her own in goal tries to turn the ball on the inside. Hurricanes under the pump.
Arihana Marino Tohunu was in a good position to get that one over.
They are tight, organised, under control. Luke O'Connor's looking at a hat trick. And she's parked in the back of a powerful engine and gets it done for the Chiefs. Sitting in the back, look at this powerful Chiefs Manawa scrum. Follow Funga too big, too strong and also too good. And that'll do it. Comprehensive, dominant performance from Chiefs Manawa. 53 points to 21 over the Hurricanes Poua.